Would you believe me if I tell you you can sell this simple automation for 10k? Hello, this is the day 1 of learning AI automation from scratch. So let's go to the screen so I can show you how it works. So as you can see now, I'm on my screen and this is all the things which we are gonna use. So first of all, this is a form submission to get the data of the participants. Now the data travels through here and gets stored in this Google Docs. Now the data travels here. This is a AI agent which analyzes your problem and gives a simple output. The output is sent through a email address to your email address which you entered on this form. So let's see how it works. So we would enter this, then anything like an email address. You have to enter your own email address. Now the problem, let's say I want to build a channel. So let's submit the form. As you can see, the form is submitted. Let's see it. As you can see, the data traveled to here. Now it's summarizing it. Now you can see the email has been sent. So this is the Google sheet where all of the data, as you can see, OPIGL, I want to build a YouTube channel. As you can see, we have gotten an email from the AI agent. Let's open it. As you can see, building a YouTube channel. It has given you some advices. So let's begin. So first we will add all the essential nodes we are gonna use. So first we are gonna add a form submission. You can see it on here. Yes, this is the one. As you can see, it's open on form submission. Now you can add anything, you can get creative with it. To keep it simple, let's just add YouTube tutorial. You can add any description. Now we have to add elements, so click on this. Now it's asking for a label, so you can give anything. Let's just say first name, and which response this should contain. You can contain from very different types. Here you can see it's email, hidden number, radio button. For now we are going to text input, and in the attributes select placeholder so the user can input and the required field. So this field is not required to enter. Now let's another element. Last name, it's also a text input. Now add a placeholder, and this field is required. Tick this. Now let's add email address. Now here we can't select text input because there is a certain type of input, so he have to, or they have to enter an email. They can't type anything else, so the workflow doesn't get stopped. And now let's say your problem. This is also a text input. Let's add a placeholder and field required. Take this. So our form is created. So let's cut it. Now we're gonna add our Google Sheets, which will store the data. Now we are gonna add Google Sheets, as you can see here, and select append a row, so it will update a row in the sheet. Now here you can see a bunch of things. So first we have to select our credentials. You can simply log in to your Google account. Just tap here, sign in with your Google account. I have already signed in. So now select source to sheet within the document and operation append a row. You can also select create a new sheet. You can do a bunch of different things, but for now keep it append a row. Now first of all you have to create a new document and a new sheet. So let me show you. So right now I'm on the same account which I entered in the credentials of Google Sheets. So you have to open Google Sheets and create new sheet, new spreadsheet. Name it whatever you like. I'm naming it YT YouTube tutorial. Now just enter what the one thing I have to clear right now. If you are doing this, you have to enter the same characters which you have entered in the label in the on form summation. If you like if in the on form summation the label was this f was small f, then it would not count. One thing I want to clear right now, the label you entered in the on form summation should match the row numbers. Like if you added first names and you write here the first name, it should be the same. So what I mean by that is, if the f was in that was small and here is it's big, it will not register it. So make sure you do that. Now create this. As you can see, we have created this. So let's go on to our editing sheet. As you can see, we are right now in the Google Sheets in the N10. So from document, from list, select, choose from here, which is created right now in this YouTube tutorial, and from the sheets you have to choose the sheet in it. So it's sheet 1. Now in this mapping column mode, you should always select map automatically, so it will automatically map it for you. Now close this. Now we are gonna enter a AI agent. Here it is. Now in this, always select define below, because we don't have a chat input, and the user prompt should be this. And if you want this prompt, you can get it in the description or in the comment box. Now this is done, so close it. Now the AI needs a brain, so we add ChatGPT, or you can also add open router. Let me show you this one. So in the credentials, you can create new and create one credential for your open router. So let's select this one, ChatGPT Turbo, because it's very cheap. Close this, move it here. Let's add a simple memory also. In this, select define below, and you can write anything like, and here It basically means how many interactions the model would receive as a content. So you can add anything, let's just say 10. Now close this. Now here we have to add a email, so just type here email. As you can see, we have got this email, and select, oh sorry, let's just add a email to send our reply. This one. Now search here send a message. Send. Here you can see we have gotten it. Send a message. Here you can see we have gotten this. Send a message. Now to fill this info we have to get the input. So for now keep it like this, also like this, and let's just fill this form once. So as you can see we are here, so let's just enter anything. Then here, now you have to enter your real email address. And anything problem like I want to run. Submit the form. As you can see, when I entered the form, it got updated in the Google Sheets. So now let's open this which I've created. So as you can see, it has taken a problem running. This my email address. So yeah, it got updated. So now let's just resume this workflow. So now it's processing, and now we have gotten the input, so we can now update this. Let's open it. So as you can see, in the two which the email we have to send, select this append row sheet and drag this email to here like this. So as you can see, it has updated. Now the subject in this, you have enter your problem. You will drag from here to here, and now in the message you should select the AI agents output, this. So at last you can also enter this sender's name, anything like Nick. Now the sender is Nick. So here our workflow is completed. So, and now from in this, when your workflow is completed, just select a production URL. Now let's test our workflow. So tap this, enter Taiwan, Hinge, and email address. You can enter anything. And in the problem you can say I want to skip matrix. So let's submit it. Let's see if our workflow is working or not. As you can see, it's working. Now send data through our email address. So now let's see if the sheets got updated and if we received a email. Right now we are on my Google Sheet account. Let's just refresh it. Now let's open it. As you can see, we have gotten Taiwan Hinge. Why want to escape? This is our email address. So yeah, as you can see, we have gotten this email giving us all the outputs. Stay calm, objective, don't let. So yeah, that's how it works. If you want to try it out for yourself, I have given a link below to the form that I have made, so you can try it also. So I hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comments if you do like it. Till then, stay learning, go hard. Let's achieve it together.